Charlie Cushane here to show you what I do with my Chalet double slide truck camper at the end of the camping season. I put it in my garage here in Florida. I separate the truck from the camper, put the camper on these long-term storage stands, and I polish it. I've already gone through and polished the entire camper using this Meguiar's 50 cleaner wax, and it has no abrasives, but it does remove the slight oxidation all over the camper. So I do the whole thing, sometimes twice in certain areas, but now I'm going to do this diamond plate that you see here. So let's take a closer look at how I'm going to do that. So here's the diamond plate that I'm dealing with, and it's, as you can see here, it is not in good condition. This diamond plate, aluminum diamond plate, has all been oxidized over the years, and I have polished it every year, but it just has never stayed good. Let's take a closer look. As we take a closer look with this diamond plate, you'll see it's not in good shape. It is very bad. So this is what I want to actually try to get to shine like new. My goal this time is to try this Dura-Coating, that metal polish. It's their blue premium, and I've never tried it before, but it's supposed to be great on aluminum and diamond plate. So I'm going to try it and see if it can fix all this. Let's get started. Okay, to get started with this, I have my 6-inch polisher with a bonnet with a little bit of tuft to it, and the Dura-Coating. Give it a shake, and then we'll put some on here. All right, we'll just start working it in and see what happens. Because it's the first time, I'm getting a little extra fluid on there. Okay, now I've done the whole side. Let's start taking it off and see what happens. Wow, look at the black. You can start to really starting to see some shine now. You can see my reflection much better than you used to be able to. I'm going to actually do this one more time and take a final look. Okay, so I'm doing a whole second coat here, making sure I put lots on. I had a new pad, now it's almost black again. Another brand new towel, second taking off. So, whew. That's a lot of work. Okay, one last thing I'm going to try is I got these really nice soft, I think polishers, to take wax off, maybe to polish it. So I'm just going to go over this and see if it makes any difference. did pick up something. Well, here's my final review. This came out actually quite well. Surprisingly, I've tried a number of things over the years, and nothing seems to have brought out the luster of this diamond plate. And I've tried a lot of products. This time, this Dura-Coating Blue Premium worked as good or better than any of the others. And even my wife noticed and said, wow, that looks great. And you can tell, you see my reflection. That's an indicator of how well this worked. It's not flawless. I won't say it's flawless, but it worked better than anything else I've done. And I'll be using it every year from now on. I highly recommend this, and I'm not sponsored by them.